Do y'all see that? It literally broke. Like, what the heck? Everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also welcome all the new viewers today who are watching. I'm so glad y'all tuned in today because this week has been pretty hectic. Like, I've been working a lot. It's been really draining me, but we're not gonna talk about that today. So, ew, my voice still sounds like raspy. Ew. But anyways, today guys, we're going to do a couple of activities, you know, just a regular schmegular because my life is pretty simple right now. It's not really, you know, popping yet, but we're gonna go out today and pretty much enjoy our day off. Please be sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also please be sure to turn on y'all post notifications so y'all can be notified when I post new videos. It started slowing down. So today we are currently at Dunkin Donuts. I'm about to pick up this new drink that they have, and I got me a jelly donut. Y'all, I've never tried jelly donuts before, and I've always wanted to try I just wanted to try a jelly donut in general. Like, if y'all like them, let me know because I'm about to try it for the first time.
Welcome to Dunkin'. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'm here for a pickup for Malia.
All right, go to pull around.
How's the mobile order? Like, look at it. It looks just like the pictures from the mobile app. And the next thing I got was this, dang, I didn't know it was like this big, but oh my gosh. But I got this Bonfire Dunkin iced coffee, and it has like, I don't know what that is on top, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Oh my gosh. I think this is a medium, but I'm about to try this. It's like little jelly filling. Next I have Bonfire Big Medium. I didn't expect to get a medium, but we're about to try this next. Wow, it's like a blended mixture of mocha and vanilla. I may not like actually drink all of this because this is a big drink. Let me show y'all what they put in here, and there's so many like calories. I'm not gonna drink all of this. This thing has 3 pumps of coffee syrup, 3 pumps of s'more syrup, 3 pumps of vanilla shot, 1 pump of cream, 1 pump of mocha cup drizzle, 1 pump of whipped cream, 1 pump of graham crumble top. That's like so much calories in 1 bottle. Yeah, it's calorie central right here. But the donut, I actually like the donut. I'm gonna eat the whole donut because the donut is actually really delish. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Okay, so I ended up getting those orange glasses from my last vlog because I really like these. Like, I really wanted a pair like these. Are really, really cute. I'm about to wear these for the rest of the day. These are so cute. I'm glad I got them. They're real? Yeah, those are real deers. Y'all look. Oh my gosh. You welcome. My snack for today is the sweet and salty coated corn popcorn, and I got some strawberry kiwi lemonade. Yeah, I just tried like a little sip, and this is really good, so I would recommend. To go into this Dollar General. Wait, y'all can't even see it. I'm gonna go into this Dollar General to go get some dishwashing liquid and also some laundry detergent because we ran out. I don't know about extra heavy, y'all. I just need something small. That's a good deal for all of these for like 24 for $4. Let's see what else they got. 25.50, 225. Ultra. That's 18. You know, I'm gonna just get these. Yo, look, my receipt is blank.
Bruh.
Have y'all ever had this before? It's literally blank. I think they ran out of ink or something. Okay, so as y'all can see, this pizza has a bit more cheese and pepperoni and hamburger. They added extra cheese, and I'm about to cut it. And I got this panini. It's like a cookie pie and it comes with ice cream. I got some vanilla bean ice cream. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to the house. Oh, and they also gave me a free drink. That's what I was showing in the restaurant. Free drink for waiting. These are family farmed, hand-picked Georgia peaches, y'all, and they're so delicious. I got them from Aldi's. As you can see, there's a lot of, debris on it because these are farmed, so they don't have any pesticides or any of that protective clear coating on them. So these are authentic peaches. First, I'm gonna just wash it with some water. Now washing the second one. Check on these peaches. Okay, honestly, I don't really see much. I see like a little piece right there, but other than that, oh, like there's a few over here too. Okay, these are not actually as filthy as I thought. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I don't really see much debris. There's a little pieces right there floating. A little piece right here. It looks so delicious. So delicious. But okay, let me get my paper towel. Please ignore my face right now. But let's take a bite of this peach. This right here is so juicy. Like, oh my god. If y'all ever had like a homegrown peach, then like if y'all have any grandparents or any family members that grow like fruit and stuff, like there's a huge difference in homegrown fruit.
So you just left on the floor.
You got powers.
What?
Yeah, you can fly.
No, I can't.
Yeah, I've seen you. You can move things without touching them.
How do you know that?
What the heck?